Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel and welcome back to another video. So today's video is going to be one we have not done in quite a long time. It's going to be a Tidy Tuesday. So if you're new to our channel, hey y'all, how y'all doing? My name's Shakema. I'm a single mom, have 4 children, 2 girls, 2 boys, 1 fur dog named Gracie and 1 fur grand dog named Acro. And it was like last year, we did a segment on the channel called Tidy Tuesday. And that's where you would take 15 minutes, 20 minutes at max to focus on one area of your house or a spot in, just somewhere where you could do a quick tidy. So for me, tonight, it's late. We just got home from Taekwondo and I don't have a lot of time. So I'm going to put away my clothes. Laundry is like the worst thing in life, probably outside of cleaning the bathrooms. I don't enjoy that. But I have to put my clothes away. So I'm going to show you the 2 areas where I have clothing, and then I'm going to jump right in. I'm going to put you up on the tripod. The kids are going to come and help mom, and it's only going to take us about 15 minutes to get my clothes done. So let me show you what I'm working with. Alrighty, you guys. So this is a chair in my bedroom. This is my prayer chair. Evidently, I'm not praying in the chair because there's clothes there. So I have some clothes here that I need to put up. I've got some slippers and some boots. Somebody blessed me with a pair of boots that they no longer needed, that needed a good home. So I picked those. I have a couple pairs of boots that I need to get rid of. I got them from the Goodwill, and we've lost the heels. And I'm trying to determine if I want to re-heel them or just toss them. And then this is my clothing basket. So I've got to get this basket put away. But this is my closet right now. And y'all, I just have so many things. I've not been to the Goodwill in weeks. Of course, I got all my shoes and stuff up there. Well, not all my shoes, but some of my shoes. And then back here, I have another shoe rack back there. But this is what I'm going to be working on tonight. This basket of clothes and the clothes in this chair. Bed is made. Everything looks good. This is my room. So the room is clean. Will probably have Jackson come and vacuum. But I do need to put these up and these. So I'm going to take 15 minutes and get everything done and put away.
We set the oven to basically
350. You have to take that saran wrap off, yeah. Oh, I forgot to get some, what's your name? Foil, yeah. This is going in the Goodwill. It's too big.
Okay.
Can we grab some hangers? That's a cami thing. Okay. These aren't my underwear.
Alright,
okay. This is not my t-shirt.
I think there's some of Jackson's maybe our clothes around.
How?
I could be wrong, but
no, this is not my t-shirt.
Well, then it's probably Jackson's.
That's not mom's. Okay. None of that is mine. I need my glasses too. Let's see.
Move
back, right? Okay.
You need hangers, Mom?
Huh?
You need hangers?
Hangers. Look, this is your jacket too. The jacket that I bought for you. Try that on. Make sure it fits. collar's still not fixed.
It's hard to bend with shoulders.
Hmm?
It's hard to bend here.
Okay, so we might need to pass it along.
Okay.
Which is perfect. We can pass it along if we need to. Okay.
Some hangers.
Yes, hangers, please.
So we're just sorting through them?
I'm just sorting through. It makes it easier to put them up once I have them all sorted out.
Yeah, that's how I put my clothes up.
And I don't have that many that need hanging. I mean, I have some, but
What's that mean? That's the hanging pile?
that's the hanging pile.
What do you think will be in the main wash bag?
Hmm?
What do you think will be in the main wash
Good
bag?
most of the hangers, Mom.
That's fine. I don't have a lot.
Good really.
That gray thing too.
Everything? Yeah, this side.
Is this your bra on or mom's?
Let me see it.
It fastens in the front.
Oh, that's mine. Yeah, I'm looking for that. I knew it was somewhere.
Charlotte, look closer.
It's the one I don't even wear the most.
Okay. And a pink one?
Yes, I've been looking for that one.
Okay, that's all folded stuff. Hang stuff, I mean.
Okay, I think that should be the end of my clothes. Except for that blue shirt.
Blue shirt. Okay. I don't love this. So that's
What is
gonna
it?
go. Just a shirt.
Well, Mom, let me see it.
I don't love it.
Might be something I love.
If we could move quicker, we'll be done.
You don't like it?
I don't love it. It's fine. I just don't love it.
You don't like, what part do you not like?
The sleeves. Jackson, you got clothes in here.
Right now?
You have clothes in here.
You should take trash out, right?
Yes, please. But you have clothes.
You know, Mother, I think I finally realized what's my line of music.
What is it, girl?
You know how I've always, well, how I'm just much better at writing slow
That needs
songs.
to go into what's your name?
What's his name?
The
Goodwill Bag.
Goodwill bag, yeah.
No. Why? Do you know why I'm always good at writing slow songs? Because I'll be right back on that.
Who has an awesome shirt?
Yes.
Okay. So some of your things here, Jack.
Thank you. You're wonderful.
And let's put them up, please.
Yes, I'll be right there.
You can't see with this thing on my head.
Put, those are your things. And these are just things for the,
Well, these are your thing.
no. I was telling Jackson.
Oh.
And then socks.
Yeah.
So that
I'll
basket
never
can
get
go.
rid of the socks.
We're never going to.
Well, whose purple socks are these? They don't feel
Might be
good.
Shakema's.
Yeah, you're right.
Could be.
Because they're matching. I have actual matching socks. Can you believe? Oh. You know what we're gonna watch tonight? Call me wife. No, what I was saying was, I know what my favorite type of music
Are
is.
you taking those short pants in your room?
You can keep them. If I brought them back. I like the sad music.
Oh, okay.
Well, does that seem weird to you?
No.
Jackson was like,
It's just whatever you like. I like what I like.
What do you
People
like?
different. I like
Do you
praise
like
and-
the-
But I like worship. I love worship.
do you prefer a fast worship or a slow worship?
Probably a slow one. Okay, this is for the laundry room. And
And
then this is
I
a
think I
nice-
realized, and that's Jackson's over there. I think I realized that I like instrumental better. You know, you don't have to worry about hearing people's voices. Really just about the music. Piano, the drum, flute, violins are great. Violins are amazing. Here, we're gonna use this rag sometime. You're right. That wasn't too bad, but here comes the awful part. Wait, where'd these things come from?
I don't know. From this chair. Jack, there's some socks that need to go.
How long will they be with us? When does each come?
And alrighty, you guys, so let me show you the progress that we made. Honestly, it took us about, I would say in real time, it'll probably be shorter, about 15-20 minutes at max. So I'll show you the chair, then I'll show you in the closet what Alana and I were able to get done. So we have gotten everything from the chair. I just have my bedroom shoes there. I'll move those. They actually go under the bed because but the dogs go under the bed too, so I just moved them over here for now. And then if we walk into the master closet, that basket that was there is all gone. We got all the clothes up. Everything is hanged. And I'm going to be doing the challenge from a bowl full of lemons. And master closet is one of the days, so I'm not going to go through it now until that week. I haven't started it yet, simply because I've just been so busy. But we have everything all hanged. We have everything off the floor, and I was short a few hangers, so these are the only clothes that I have that didn't have hangers. So I was short a couple, but between my closet and the kids' closets, I'll find some hangers for those. But that's it. The bed's still made. Everything looks great. It only literally takes you a few minutes to do a few things. So I do want to thank you guys so much for stopping by our channel. Thank you all for the new subscribers and my oldies but goodies. You guys just make my heart so happy. But we do have a couple, quite a few new subscribers. So I'm so excited to have you along for this journey. The kids and I just live our regular life. It's just what we do. And we enjoy having a good time and keeping our home tidy and making it welcoming and inviting for people. But Tidy Tuesday started out as just, hey, what can I do in my home for 15 minutes? And I've been doing the Fly Lady system for years, but sometimes I don't have time to do all my zones. I never do home blessing, weekly home bless. I don't have time for that. I just bless it in Jesus' name and keep it moving. But I do like the 15-minute pickup. And my house is pretty tidy most of the time. So with just 15 minutes, it all gets done. So I do want to thank you guys so much for stopping by. If you liked the video, thumb it up. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Bye now.